Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to update an incorrectly categorized item. For the example, we're going to inventory in a printer, which is a 4250 DTN. It's very important to always verify the category that's set for that particular product. In this case, it's set as telephones and pagers, which is incorrect. In order to make the update, you'll start off by clicking the Master Item Update button. Now, in the Update Master Item modal box, you'll start off by clicking the Categories tab, and the quickest way to clear the incorrectly set option is to hit the Clear button. Once cleared, you could do a search in the search box. In this case, we'll search printer, and we will select printers. It's very important to preset the primary checkbox because you have the option to select multiple categories, but the attribute sets would only correspond with the primary category. So in this case, root category resale more printers is tied to the printer category set. Once complete, hit OK, and the changes will be updated on the screen in the background. So that's how you update an incorrectly categorized item.